Hey guys. All right, we have new templates for our websites. Woo woo. Definitely, I encourage you to play, see which ones you may like. Here's what you do. Web and IDX, go to website settings. If you are a team or a brokerage, you want to make sure you're on the correct domain. You can always go back to all websites and choose the correct one. Right now, most of us have that Remax, but definitely go through. Each of these is going to have a different look and feel. You can always go and kind of view. The biggest difference is going to be these featured area blocks, what colors it may be, how that look and feel. They also have predetermined widgets, but you can edit those super easy as we go. So the biggest difference is really just going to be that look and feel and the carousels, that kind of thing. So if I come down here, just remember by default, these all will be blue because that is the Remix. So see how this is just a little different. And remember, with Remix, this is blue unless you had early release and you're able to change the color. That option is no longer there. But just know, see how this just has that big block. And of course, widgets, you can completely edit. So choose the one you want, and I will show you what this looks like now. So we have the Remix template. So that's going to bring in your information, the brokerage information, which only they can edit, your widgets that you have, all that kind of fun stuff, testimonials, and these are those carousels. You can see hers are all black. We were able to change that color template before they locked it down. So it's not blue. But let's go ahead and go back to our dashboard. I'm going to choose Champion. I think so far that's the one I like. Some of these have like this gray area. Still not sure. It may work for her. Let's go ahead and try it. So we're going to go ahead and pick that. We're going to save. When I was clicking no, keep my widgets, meaning don't add the widgets for this template, keep what I have, it wasn't working. But when I said, yes, go ahead and remove my widgets, it's okay. And now you see I have that green check mark. When I come back over into the content, my widgets have still been there. It's just adding all of theirs as well. So it's just a matter of I know which ones I don't want. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove those and they'll go right into my history. If I ever change my mind, I can easily change those up. But as I refresh, we'll see what that new look and feel is. So now you see I don't have that white. So brokerages, now we have to think because I've been playing with these templates and a lot of the logos you can hardly see. So we have to think about that on our brokerage level. If our agents are going to be switching templates now, we may need to change the logo in our Remax profile on that brokerage level. You can see I like that I don't have to have the information. I do like this being gray. We're going to add more stuff. Her template, grays and blacks. So this kind of works out. As you see, it added all this other information in that we've slowly started to remove. And I don't have my contact us widget, but that's okay. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these. And there are a couple widgets. So you can see here, market report and contact us. The ones without the luxury, you'll see we have a contact luxury and a market luxury. These will have the white background with black text. So a lot of times I will mix it up. So I'm going to add that market luxury. And again, I'm going to move that here. I'm going to remove the black one. I do like the contact us in that black, only because I am going to come over here to my custom. Let's contact us. Let's connect. So let's see. Now I have the featured area widgets. I have the widget, which has all the social media and branding. This is going to now be the white background, and then this will be the black background. So let's go ahead and so you can see this was the get their free report. I removed all those, and then that was the contact. And then, of course, testimonials are there. So let's refresh and see what this looks like now. So now I have my header. I've got these, the featured area widgets. We'll add in more. And now I've got that custom content that I had added. All I did was go into the blog, create this, copy that HTML, put it in that custom. And now I have this white. And of course, this contact us is still in black. I probably will change the color of this to a gray. In order to do that, definitely a little more advanced. But here's what I do. I'm going to come over here. I want it to be a darker gray so we can see that black button that she has. I'm going to copy this. That's just in my Canva. I'm going to come over here to the contact us. I'm going to click to edit. And you see right here, background color. Now, I don't know how to write code. I know how to copy and paste. I know how to get in trouble. But if I wanted this to say, contact me today, just don't worry. You can always add a new one in if you mess anything up. And I'm going to go ahead and save. So let's see if I refresh. Just because that testimonial block is black, I wanted to add a little different. And I may still change this up just because that always looks a little weird. But because we do have the black, I want it to be a little different. But just some different ways that we can go. And I like my other photo better. So that's just a matter of going into my settings and going through. I'm going to uncheck that because I have a lot of these black and gray headers. So the brown doesn't really go. It's a beautiful photo, but we want to go ahead and save that. So that way we have all of the headers we actually want, or we can add a YouTube, all that fun stuff. So play with the new widgets, play with the new templates. Just go up here, start playing. If I decide I want to go back to the Remax, I'm going to click Remax, save, and I'm good to go. So please go play. This is exciting times. Woo, woo, go play.